So the learning objective I chose to talk about was to explain the difference between the general motor ability hypothesis compared to the specificity of motor abilities hypothesis. So the hypothesis of general motor ability focuses on the idea that different motor abilities are all connected. These motor abilities include abilities such as balance and timing, meaning that if, for instance, if I'm doing a growth skill such as kicking a ball, in solid ground, the motor ability is static balance. And with that, the hypothesis is saying that this static balance is connected to another motor ability, such as timing. With that, this hypothesis says that due to motor abilities, if you are highly skilled in one motor skill, then you're expected to become highly skilled in others. So take, for instance, if you have the high fine skill of playing, for example, the guitar, then you are bound to have a high growth skill of, for example, playing basketball. So that's basically what this hypothesis is saying, is that if you have the ability in one, you have the ability in all others. On the other hand, the hypothesis of specificity of motor abilities focuses on showing that the other hypothesis is wrong, and with that, abilities are independent, basically saying that there are varied motor abilities that can be generalized into one category. For instance, if an athlete has a high ability at one motor skill like balancing, that doesn't prove that person will be able to have high skill in throwing. Leading me to the difference, the main general hypothesis focuses on generalizing all motor abilities, saying that an individual has potential for high achievement for all of the abilities. Yet the other hypothesis is saying that being good at one motor ability, doesn't necessarily mean you will be good at all motor abilities. So it's the specificity isn't generalizing them all into one category compared to the other. With that, the research has shown the difference of one having little research to back it up, while the other one has proven that motor abilities are individual through testing abilities such as reaction time of movement, such as kicking a ball, making it shown that there is a difference between the two hypotheses, one stating that it's all in one and the other one saying that each one is its own.